Si kila mtu alichukua simu yake na mkajipanga wenyewe ama mlisaidiwa kujipanga? Si wenyewe? Yaani mlijituma ama mlitumwa? Mlijituma. Maisha ndio hivyo, kujituma. Tunaelewana jameni? Na ndio sababu what PS has asked me about inclusivity. This program, the Nyota program, we had an earlier program called KOP that was not as inclusive as this one. It was only in 17 counties. It benefited far fewer people. Isaac here was among the lucky ones. But when I came into office and there was a rollout of phase 2 of KOP, I asked our friends, the World Bank, that we need to redesign the program so that it becomes much more inclusive. I am sure that many young people in many different counties did not even know that there was an earlier program of Nyota. Ama mnajua wengi wenu kama kulikuwa na program ingine kama hii ilikuwa imetangulia? Because it didn't have as much profiling as we are doing here. So I instructed the minister then and the PS to sit down with the World Bank group and redesign the project so that it covers every constituency in Kenya and every ward in Kenya, so that it is inclusive. That is number one. Number two, we also insisted that this project must cover young people, irrespective of whether they have gone to school or not gone to school. Today, what we are witnessing is that under this program, we have different categories of young people. We have young people who did not even manage to get to standard 8. But we are giving them a chance now. We are telling them, even if you may not have completed standard 8, even if you may not have completed Form 4, you have a chance to work with us so that we can help you acquire a skill. And we are looking for 90,000 young people so that we can make them acquire skills. We are going to pay for them to be trained. We are going to pay for them to be certified. We are going to give them stipends so that they can undergo through the course, because we want to lift everybody. That is what inclusivity is all about. It is about not discriminating people, even if they may not have made it so far in life. Number three, we are also, under this program of Nyota, we are targeting young people, people who have skills. Kuna watu wengi ni mechanic, ni painter, ni fundi, electrician, mtu ambaye anafanya plumbing, lakini hajasomea hiyo plumbing. Ni vile tu alienda kwa mjengo, akakaa hapo, akasoma, akajituma, akakaa na fundi, akaendelea mpaka akajua ile kazi, lakini hana certificate. Sasa mtu huyo tumesema, huyo ambaye alijituma pale kwa mjengo, yeye si fundi, lakini kwa bidii yake ameng'ang'ana mpaka sasa yeye ni fundi. Shida hana makaratasi ya kuonyesha yeye ni fundi. Sasa tumesema hata na wao sasa tutawafanyia certification. Serikali tutawalipia na tuwapatie certificate, so that yule ambaye ni mechanic amejituma pale, tutamfanyia certification na tumpatie, sasa anaweza kwenda mahali fulani atafute kazi ya mechanic. Yule ambaye ni painter, ambaye hakusomea lakini sasa ako na hiyo taaluma ya painting, tutampatia certificate, tutamfanyia test certificate, alafu sasa anaweza kuendelea kwa kazi nyingine akiwa na stakabadhi ama certificate kwamba sasa yeye ni painter, huyo mwingine ni plumber, huyo mwingine ni electrician, huyo mwingine ni steel